Floods are one of nature's most destructive forces, causing massive damage and endangering countless lives each year. Whether triggered by heavy rains, hurricanes, or river overflows, floods can strike suddenly and with devastating power. The good news? Being prepared and knowing what to do can save lives, including your own. In today's video, we'll cover how to survive a flood from start to finish. We'll explore how to prepare in advance, what to do during the crisis, and how to stay safe in the aftermath. These tips are simple, effective, and could make all the difference in an emergency. Let's dive in. Survival starts before the water begins to rise. Here are the essential steps. Understand your risk. Visit your local government or weather service websites to determine whether your area is prone to flooding. Know your flood zone classification and pay attention to weather alerts. Create a go bag. This portable emergency kit should include at least 3 days' worth of food and water, 1 gallon per person per day, flashlights, batteries, and a hand crank radio for emergency updates, first aid supplies, any prescription medications, and important documents sealed in waterproof bags, and basic tools like a whistle, multi-tool, and waterproof matches. Flood-proof your home. Elevate appliances like your water heater and electrical components to prevent damage. Seal foundation cracks with waterproofing compounds. Install check valves to prevent floodwater from backing up into your drains. Practice a plan. Discuss evacuation routes with your family. Identify safe meeting points and designate an out-of-town contact for communication if you're separated. Regular practice will help everyone stay calm and act quickly in a real emergency. When the waters rise, survival depends on staying alert and acting swiftly. Evacuate early. Don't wait for mandatory orders if conditions worsen. Roads can flood in minutes, leaving you stranded. Keep your vehicle's gas tank full and pack your go bag in advance. Avoid water at all costs. Even shallow water is deceptively dangerous. 6 inches can knock you off your feet, and fast-moving water is even deadlier. 2 feet can sweep most vehicles away, so turn around, don't drown. Seek higher ground. Whether you're outside or at home, move to the highest safe place immediately. Avoid attics unless there's a way to escape through the roof, as rising water can trap you. Stay informed. Use a battery-powered radio or your phone to monitor emergency broadcasts. Emergency alerts provide critical updates on evacuation zones, shelter locations, and flood developments. Turn off utilities. If you have time, shut off your home's electricity, gas, and water to minimize damage and hazards. The aftermath of a flood can be just as dangerous as the flood itself. Here's how to navigate it safely. Wait for the all clear. Don't return home until local authorities declare it safe. Floodwaters often leave behind hidden dangers like structural damage, downed power lines, and contaminated water. Avoid floodwaters. They're often filled with sewage, industrial chemicals, and debris. If you must enter, wear protective clothing and disinfect immediately afterward. Inspect carefully. When re-entering your home, check for hazards such as gas leaks. If you smell gas, leave immediately and call the utility company. Electrical damage. Avoid touching outlets or appliances if the area has been submerged. Structural damage. Look for signs of collapse, sagging ceilings, or cracked walls. Sanitize everything. Floodwater contaminates nearly everything it touches. Use bleach to clean surfaces and discard any food or water that wasn't stored in waterproof containers. Document damage. Take photos and videos of the damage for insurance purposes before beginning repairs. This will help you recover financially and rebuild faster. Flood survival is all about preparation, action, and recovery. Before a flood, make a plan, prepare an emergency kit, and protect your home. During a flood, evacuate early, avoid floodwaters, and seek higher ground. Afterwards, stay cautious, inspect everything carefully, and follow official guidance to stay safe. Now's the time to act. Don't wait for the rain to start. Take a few minutes today to prepare your emergency kit and review your family's evacuation plan. Share this video with friends and family to spread awareness. The more prepared we are, the safer we'll all be. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.